Hi guys, so I have the during reading strategy sketching through a text. So this is obviously a during reading strategy. It allows students to visualize their ideas from their readings and really put it to paper. This is where students will draw sketches or pictures of the article, and they can draw it throughout the reading and show their thoughts and how the story progresses, or they can draw an overall picture to demonstrate what the article was about as a whole. So, as the teacher reads through the article, students are going to create super quick sketches of the readings. So these pictures are not supposed to be great, they're not supposed to be professionally done, they're just supposed to represent what the article is talking about. The teacher can either give time for students to draw after every paragraph, or they can draw as the reading continues if the teacher thinks that too much time will pass. So students can create an overall picture or a sequence of pictures demonstrating what the article is about, and then afterwards students can share in a big or small group, and the drawings can be hung up for gallery walks or even can be used as a review. So for my example, I chose the benefits of soccer for kids around the world, and as like a quick summary, it's about the 5 main benefits of soccer is making friends, building life skills, being active and healthy, promoting gender equality, and having fun. So right here I drew my examples. The first one is making friends. That's what the first paragraph was about. I drew 2 people holding hands to demonstrate that. Then building life skills, I drew someone with a tie demonstrating success. And then the third one was being active and healthy. So I drew a muscle that just shows them being healthy, and then promoting gender equality. Soccer can be played by both men and women, so I drew that there in the 4. And then having fun, I drew someone who's younger and is enjoying soccer, and then someone, the same person as when they were older, enjoying soccer. So this demonstrates the different subheadings throughout the article and really just gives an overall picture of what the article is about. And also can be a great tool to refer back to and to really understand what the article is about without really having to read it to see if kids get it or not. Thank you.